Hi, all of you. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, all of you. So this is Venkatramana. So I'm a physics lecturer, and I want to discuss a PYQ of JEE Mains. That is in the 2021 September 2nd session. So about the PYQ of that question, I want to explain here. That is, the question is given in the question paper regarding electric charge. This is the question. For example, the question is given as here, a cube is placed inside an electric field of E bar is equal to 150 y square j cap. Nothing but the electric field is given along the direction of positive y direction. Along the direction of positive y axis. So magnitude of electric field is given as 150 y square. Okay. The side of the cube is 0.5 meters and is placed in the field as shown in the given figure. The diagram is given in the question clearly. Now we have to find the charge inside the cube is. So finally is asking what? What is the charge inside the cube when the cube is placed in an electric field of E bar is equal to 150 y square along the positive y direction. This is the JEE Mains question. This is what JEE Mains in the year 2021 September 1st second session question. This is. So finally is asking in the question, you can observe in the question. Okay, so electric field is given, one cube is given here, side of the cube is also given, and when this cube is placed in that electric field as like this, we have to find the charge inside the cube is how much. Finally here what? Electric field is given, side of the cube is given, and charge inside the cube we have to find here. Finally what we have to find here? Charge Q is equal to, we have to find. That is here what? Inside the cube we have to find. This is the question we have to find. So for that one, first we will discuss about the how we can find the charge. That is, as per our knowledge are given in the question, that is electric field is given E bar is equal to 150 y square j cap here. So from this one we can easily find what is here what? This electric field is along the direction of positive y direction. Okay. Now see, first we have to find the charge. According to the Gauss law, nothing but here one, from Gauss law, we know that one, the electric flux is equal to charge inside by epsilon naught. This is the formula. We know that one according to the Gauss law. What is the flux inside the body is equal to charge inside by epsilon naught. So nothing but the what? Total flux through any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times the charge inside the closed surface, that is the flux. According to the Gauss law we can write flux formula, that is. But what we have to find here, what charge we have to find. So from the equation, charge inside is equal to flux into epsilon naught we can write. Okay. Means to find the charge, First we have to find the electric flux. Already this is the permittivity of free space. It is a constant. We know that one easily. We have a value of this one 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So if you find the flux, then it is multiplied with this one. Yes, we can find the charge inside the cube. What is here? Whatever the charge inside the cube, that is your cube. How much charge if you place the electric field is like that. Now how we can find the flux here? Yes, we know the another formula for electric flux, that is equal to electric field E bar dot area vector A bar. E bar dot A bar is the electric flux, we know that one. This is the dot product between electric field and area vector because electric flux is a scalar quantity. Now it is equal to EA cos theta, we can write. The dot product can be written as EA cos theta, of course. What is the theta here? Theta is the angle between electric field and area vector. It is not an area here. Angle between the here what? Electric field and the area vector we have to take here. Okay, come to the diagram. The diagram is given like this. One cube is placed like this. Okay, so this is the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Of course, if you see this is the plane it is given. Across this one the electric field is passing. That is the A, B, C, D is the one plane. And another plane is given as here what? Okay, so E, F, G, H. This is the another plane here. Electric field is passing through these two faces along the direction of Y. Okay, what is the electric field direction through this face or through this face? This is the direction of electric field. Already it is given along the direction of Y here. That is the direction of electric field E bar. How can find the area vector of this face? Area vector nothing but it's the vector which is perpendicular to the plane. For example, this is the one area here. This is the one area here. Now area vector should be perpendicular to this is here what? That is called as the area vector. Now for this plane, the area vector is also in the direction of electric field. Nothing but this is the direction of area vector. So finally electric field and area vector are in the same direction. Then we can find the angle between the electric field and area vector is 0 degrees here. Okay. Now if you see here one, area vector and electric field both are along the same direction. Theta is equal to 0. We can write it as cos 0 is equal to 1. Then E is E into A here. So flux can be here what? We can find by using this formula. Flux is equal to E into A. Okay. How can find the flux here? Therefore, flux is equal to E into A here. E is the electric field and A is the area of this face. This face. This is equal to area E electric field is given here what? What is the electric field here? 150 into y square. 150 into y square into area, that is A here. Of course, this is equal to 150. Okay, y. What is the y here? Yes, you have to observe here what? Y. Okay, electric flux nothing but this is the plane here. E, F, G, H is the one plane which is okay along the x-axis. Along the x-axis here. Understood? This is the one x-axis. This is the one plane. E, F, G, H is the plane which is along the x-axis. If it is along the x-axis, what is the y component of this plane here? Is equal to 0. Nothing but there is no any electric field due to this plane. Nothing but y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0 here, then electric field due to this face is 0 we will get. Okay, that's enough. But what is the electric field due to which phase is you are getting here what? This is the phase here what? This is the A, B, C, D. Due to this phase, the electric field we can find here because of this phase is at a height of what is here what? Side is given as 0.5 meters and it is also 0.5 meters and this is also 0.5 meters here. Okay, length, breadth, height here. So now tell me what is the height of this plane from the x-axis? This one only na? Yes. Now flux we got as here what? 75 by 8. Okay. Now charge we have to find. So therefore from the formula charge is equal to flux into epsilon naught. That is your work. Flux is how much? 75 by 8 into, okay. What is the epsilon naught value? Permittivity of free space. That is 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12. 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12 is the constant value of epsilon naught. We know that. Now, this is the final here one. Charge, okay, we are getting this is the value. But options are given like this. 8.3 into 10 to the power of minus 12. If you observe here one, no need to calculate this one, directly we can say easily here. 8.85 divided by 8 nothing but 1 point something we will get. 1 point something into 75 means it is greater than 75. Approximately 80 here. So 80 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So 80 into 10 to the power of minus 12 means where is the 80 here? So if it is 10 to the power of minus 12 nothing but it should be there here what? 80. There is no 80. So 8.3 nothing but 10 to the power of minus 11 only. So from this option easily we can choose here that is nearly equal to 8.3 into 10 to the power of minus 11 coulombs. Directly we can choose the option without calculation. Easily we can understand what the option, which is option is correct here. So this option is correct. So this is the way we can find the electric charge inside the cube if the electric field is given.